Thank you. Maraming salamat sa ating magaling at pinaniniwala akong magiging magaling na pamunuan ng Museo ito ang ating Vice Mayor, Chief Atienza. Sa ating pinamamayan and the only mayor who were elected 3 consecutive times in the history of the city of Manila, Mayor Lito Atienza. With his lovely wife, Mambeng, and the family, and of course, hindi naman nag-iisa lang yung artista ko sa buhay. Aking minamahal na may bahay dahil dito magpuso. At sa buo ng aking pamilya na nandito, nandiyan si Frances, si Dre, si Patrick, and Franco, at yung buwa sa akin ng lolo. Na ngayon ay maraming salamat sa mga taga-tundo. Kunsiyal King. The members of the Sangguniang Pangluso, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Dati mga kinamahal na panauhi, mga nakasama ko naglingkod, katulad ng nasabi kanina na panggit ng ating Vice Mayor, si Chia Chesa, kasama kong napuyag, nagkasakit, nagsakripisyo noong panahon ng pandemya. At siyempre, I hope later on tonight, we can pray for the soul kaluluwa ng ating mga kasamaang lingkod bayan na nasawi noong panahon ng pandemya sa pagpapayag ng kanilang pagpapuli. Sa ating mamamayan sa lungsod ng Maynila na nanonood sa kanya-kanyang tahanan, sa Maynila man o sa ibang dako ng bansa at sa buong mundo, at mga mamamayan natin tagalungsod ng Maynila na nandiyan sa Bulwagang Rodriguez at Bulwagang Bayan, at ang ating mga kapwa empleyado maaari witnessing our memorable event for today. Muli sa inyong lahat, magandang hapon po. We won this race by resounding margin. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. With utmost humility, I accept this victory as a clear referendum on the brand of leadership we have demonstrated during my first term as your mayor of the nation's capital, with sound policies, executive ability, and firm and decisive action. Sa unang termino ko lamang po bilang inyong punong lungsod, inyong nasaksihan at naramdaman ang mga bagay na iyo. May gobyerno sa madaling araw, may gobyerno sa gabi, may gobyerno sa hapon, may gobyerno kahit holiday sa lungsod ng Maynila. Liwanag po mula sa matatag na suporta na ipinagkaloob niyo sa akin. The people of Manila have granted me with a strong mandate to implement sweeping reforms. Tama naman. Dapat lang. Because we all share one dream to make Manila great again. Why do we believe that we can make Manila great again? Because we have every reason to believe that we can. Opo, kayang-kaya po natin ito. Alam ko po yun. Sa susunod na 10 taon, ang pangarap ko po you feel the same way. Ay napakasimpleng Maynila lamang. Isang lungsod na ginagamit ang lahat ng buong lakas at galing nito upang karoon ng kaayusan, kalinisan, may katahimikan, kapayapaan, at produktibo't masigla ang bawat mamamayan. Higit sa lahat, may kapanatagan sa pamumuhay sa lungsod ng Maynila at gobyernong laging masasandalan ng mamamayan. Pero bago po himayin ang ating nais kong himayin ang ating 10 vital signs or statistics. Nakakaiba kumpara sa anumang syudad sa buong bansa. 1. We are the nation's capital, the seat of power. The so-called mayor of the country holds office and exercises power here in our beloved city. We are the nation's premier talent fund. Nowhere else will you find a university belt as densely packed with institutions of higher learning as ours. We are the gateway to global trade. Most of the nation's imports and exports pass through the 2 seaports of Manila. We are the wellness center of the country. There is a hospital cluster not far from here. The most prestigious institution of which is Philippine General Hospital, San Lazaro Hospital, Jose Reyes Memorial Medical Center, and Dr. Jose Pabella Memorial Hospital. First options for the penniless and the last resort for the hopeless. We are the only LGU or local government unit in the entire country who's running 6 local government-owned public hospital at magiging 7 na. Katulad ng naipangako ko sa mga taga-Baseco, ngayong taon na ito, bubuksan natin ang pinangalanan ko rin na ospital, President Corazon C. Aquino General Hospital in Baseco. We are the cultural hub. Manila is here. The scene of vibrant art movement. The gastronomical paradise. From the street to sea to culinary stars. We are the city of faith, as you have witnessed today during the opening of your ceremony. From Quiapo Church to Golden Mosque, from century-old chapels to vibrant prayer halls. At dito rin sa lungsod ng Maynila, ang panganay na lokal ng Iglesia ni Cristo na simulan sa Santa Ana Hospital na ngayon ay nasa buong mundo na. Dito matatagpuan ang kauna-unahang makasaysayang itinatag na bahay-sambahan ng Iglesia ni Cristo. We are very proud of it because now, for a short period of time, patuloy silang nangangalaga sa ating mga kapatid sa buong mundo, hindi na lamang dito sa ating bansa. Manila is indeed the tapestry of beliefs. Pangpito, we are the mega Manila's food pantry. In the likes of Divisoria is one giant commissary at night. We are the keeper, the nation's memory. Intramuros is the rampart of our glorious past. Luneta is ground made hallowed by our martyrs. Our museums are the vessels of our rich heritage. We are also the shopping mecca in the Philippines. From Binondo, Quiapo, Divisoria, Triangle is probably the world's biggest bargain heaven. We abound in human capital. Ang Manileño ay malikay